Hello and welcome to the 3 Pillars of Photo Manipulation course from Pigeon Pixel. In this course, we'll explore the fundamental principles that can help you become a world-class photo manipulation artist. These key principles completely changed my life as a digital artist, and I hope they'll do the same for you. Let me ask you something. Do you often find yourself struggling with a photo manipulation piece, and no matter what you do and how hard you try, you still can't make it look right? Well, let me tell you, you're not alone. I've been there, and I used to struggle a lot too. So the next question is there a way to get past this hurdle and be able to create amazing photo manipulation artworks without the guesswork and frustrations? The answer is an astounding yes. I have discovered the secret to creating fantastic world-class composites, while actually enjoying the process. And in this course, I will share it with you. Hi, my name is Joseph, and I am a digital artist with a passion for photo manipulation. When I first started out, I remember how discouraging and demotivating it was, to endlessly work on artworks and not being able to make them look as good as I wanted. I couldn't understand what I needed to do, to make my composites look as good as the ones I was inspired by. I remember watching countless Photoshop tutorials to try to improve my photo manipulation skills. But the problem with these tutorials was that they only showed you how to create a specific composite image by following exact steps. It was just painting by numbers. And sure, the final result would look good, and to be fair, I did learn a few Photoshop techniques. Still, when it came to creating my own photo composites, it was back to square one. But through the years, I've discovered something huge. And that's when my artwork started getting better and better. From an okay photo manipulation artist, I became an artist whose work was on par with that of artists I admired. I really wish someone had shown me this secret when I was starting out. And that's why I decided to put this training course together. My mission is to help you become the best photo manipulation artist you can be. Although bits and pieces of this secret have been shared by many talented artists, I wanted to put all the pieces of the puzzle together and make them available to you in one coherent course. As you might have guessed, the secret is the 3 pillars of photo manipulation. The 3 pillars are perspective, light, and color correction, and in this course we'll cover each one in depth. We will talk about perspective and how to determine the horizon line and camera angle of our source photos. This will help us choose the right imagery for your composites. Then we'll cover the 4 types of light, how light works, why it is essential in our work, and what we need to look for when choosing the images for our artwork. And finally, we'll talk about color correction and the process of adjusting colors, to blend all the images in our composite to make them look like one photo. We'll get our hands dirty on some examples, and explore how these 3 pillars work together, and why combining all 3 correctly is crucial to creating realistic composites. And the best part is that we will learn that these 3 pillars can be applied to every artwork, no matter what style. Mastering the 3 pillars will be of tremendous value, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned artist. They will help you create composites that look like one photo, no matter how many different source images you are using. Create outstanding photo composites without any frustration. Develop creative ideas rather than wasting time on trial and error. And therefore, become an efficient top-class photo manipulation artist. Before we dive into the first section, I would like to thank you for buying this course, and I hope you enjoy it. Now, without further ado, let's start.